In this video from Device Doctor, we'll be reviewing the HP LaserJet MFP M527 printer. Stay tuned as we explore its features and capabilities.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This printer has a sleek, modern design with a sturdy build weighing 12.2 kilograms, making it a perfect fit for most office spaces. At the front, it features a USB port for printing and scanning files directly from a flash drive. At the back, there's an Ethernet port for wired connections. It also supports wireless printing from mobile devices. This printer is only capable of black and white printing and uses laser technology to produce high-quality prints. The HP LaserJet M527 features an 8-inch color touchscreen that provides easy access to settings and functions. It allows you to navigate through print, copy, scan, and fax options, configure network, security, and user settings, and view device status including ink levels, print status, and alerts. The HP LaserJet M527 has an input capacity of 650 sheets, with 250 sheets in the output tray. This means you can load 650 sheets into the printer for printing and expect to collect up to 250 sheets in the output tray. The HP LaserJet M527 printer features a print quality diagnostic page accessible from the control panel. This test page provides a detailed analysis of the print quality, helping users identify issues such as toner streaks, smudges, or incorrect color alignment. It includes patterns for text clarity, sharpness, and color accuracy, ensuring that the printer performs optimally for high-quality prints. This printer provides fast and efficient printing with a speed of up to 45 pages per minute for black and white documents, ensuring productivity in busy office environments. It also features Duplex printing, allowing you to print on both sides of the paper at an impressive speed, reducing paper consumption and saving time. The high print resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi delivers crisp, sharp text and fine details and graphics, making it perfect for professional documents. Additionally, the printer uses a toner cartridge that has a high page yield of up to 9,000 pages, which helps minimize the frequency of replacements and reduces the overall cost of ownership. This combination of speed, print quality, and cost efficiency makes it an ideal choice for handling large printing volumes. This printer offers different models with varying duplex printing capabilities. In the M527DN and M527F models, automatic duplex printing is available. This feature allows you to print on both sides of the paper automatically without any manual adjustments, making it especially useful for high-volume printing tasks. It reduces paper usage and associated costs, while also significantly decreasing printing time due to its faster printing process. However, in the M527 model, duplex printing is manual. After printing on one side of the page, you will need to manually flip the pages and reinsert them into the printer to print on the other side. The printer is equipped with an advanced automatic document feeder, ADF, that can handle up to 100 sheets of paper, making it ideal for efficiently scanning, copying, and faxing multi-page documents. With the added capability of duplex scanning, the ADF automatically scans both sides of a page, saving time and effort. The inclusion of HP Every Page technology ensures a reliable and smooth scanning process as it helps to detect misfeeds and ensures that every document is scanned without errors. This feature is essential in high-volume office environments where large batches of documents need to be processed quickly and accurately, increasing overall productivity and streamlining workflows. The device is equipped with a high-resolution flatbed scanner that delivers exceptional scan quality for a variety of document types, including photos, books, and multi-page documents. Its versatile design ensures that you can scan a wide range of materials with precision, making it ideal for both professional and personal tasks. The scanner supports multiple output formats such as PDF, JPEG, TIFF, and more, providing flexibility for archiving or sharing your scanned content. Thanks to its advanced scanning technology, it produces crisp, clear scans with accurate color reproduction, ensuring that every detail is captured with high fidelity.